and so I'm back. So, there is this show called The High Priestess that is on Z Classic app, and it stars Amala Akaneni as she's the tarot card reader in the show, and it's been directed by Pushpa Ignatius. This the very this rather talented female director, and oh my god, yeah, it is just an 8 episode series, The High Priestess, and it's all about, like I saw a short interview of the director, and she says that most of the stories shown are more or less the truth. And like I like reading a lot about, this paranormal, supernatural. So even Miss Ipsita Roy Chakravarti, who's she's one of the foremost proponents of the Wicca arts in India, and she also there's a story that is very similar. Like I mean, in terms of these things really happen, like a doll getting haunted and things like that. And like in one of my other videos also, I spoke about why we immerse idols in the, even Durga Puja has, then the idol is immersed right in the water, because any kind of energy can be dissipated in a natural element, which is water. So really people, Miss Amala Akaneni, I'm like her fan, like all out and out fan, because even the director, Ms. Pushpa Ignatius, says that just talking to Miss Amala is very healing, and that's why she really suits the role of the tarot reader in the show. And really, so you all should watch it, people. This particular show, since it's on Z Classic app, it is can be watched in Hindi, in Telugu, in Tamil, in Bangla, I think in Malayalam also. So this is a show that you all have to watch. It's called The High Priestess, and Amla Kaneni Man is like the star of the show. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.